Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds. EThekwini Municipality Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba handed over 800 new horticultural plant and maintenance equipment worth 25 million rand as part of environmental management. Multidisciplinary teams engaged in a CBD cleanup operation as part of efforts to spruce up the city and address service delivery challenges. The initiative forms part of Operation Gijima, in line with its commitment to unlock municipal land for investment, job creation and inclusive economic growth. EThekwini Municipality released 17 strategically located properties across Durban. The properties, with a combined market value exceeding 360 million rands, cover 18 hectares and represent a diverse mix of industrial, commercial, mixed use and hospitality opportunities. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.